Hello guys, welcome to Adventures RC. Today we are going to test this little motor 2830 Outrunner. This is for gliders. I made, as you can see, a water cooling system. There is a piece of aluminum. I have a 50 amp speed controller and a 3S 5200 LiPo battery. The idea of this is to go fast without killing the batteries. So hello again. As you see, we have our tugboat for the rescue in case of emergency ready to go. I'm going to test the wonderful torpedo boat. I put the cover. Really, this is test all live. Turn on the lights. Wish me luck.
Wish you luck.
Keep going. We put in the water. We are in a new place today. You can. Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is 10%. Top speed. Okay, not so fast. Okay, it's not so fast as I thought, but it goes pretty well. Let's do a the water cooling system is working. I show you. This is a good speed for the power. See the water cooling system? The water is going out. This is 70%, so it's not so fast as I thought. Let's pass full speed. This is full speed. That's all it got. So the speed is not faster than before, but the watts definitely better. So we are going to bring it home to check. I love the sound. So let's check the temperature. I need to go down. Also check if we have water inside. This is all live. It's cold. The motor is cold. The speed controller is also cold, and the battery is telling me 12 volts. So this is an absolute success. So let's do the throwing. But there you cannot take. Okay, pause.
Pause.
So this is a 1000 kV. Probably the right number is 1300 to have enough power for this engine. But 1000, you see, and we tested, this only consumes 7 amps, 19 watts. That means this battery is going to last more than 20 minutes. And the speed, this is top speed. Okay. cool. I thought it's going to go faster, but reality. And I love this sound. Listen to this sound. Really sounds like an engine. This is awesome. Top speed again. Big circle. Short circle. And I love the sound. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want to know how I did this, I will explain you later. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
And it's raining.